Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Discover the epitome of suburban living in the cool hills of St. Andrew, Jamaica. With this expansive 4-bedroom, 3.5-bathroom townhouse. This stunning residence includes a bonus feature, a separate 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom rental unit or mother-in-law suite. Ideal for extended family stays or generating additional income. The main dwelling boasts 4 generous-sized bedrooms, including a master suite exuding comfort and style. The airy living space harmoniously connects to a modern kitchen, perfect for culinary enthusiasts. Step onto your private balcony to great panoramic views or retreat to the lush garden for peaceful moments. Enjoy the tranquility of suburban life while relishing the proximity to urban amenities. Don't miss the opportunity to call this haven your home sweet home. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 75 million or US $487.2 thousand dollars. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.